Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can create your own text or picture watermarks to use within your documents in Word. To do this, click the watermark button that appears within the Page Background button group on the Design tab in the ribbon. Within the drop-down menu that appears, select the Custom Watermark command to open the Printed Watermark dialog box. The choices that you have for creating a watermark are all listed in this dialog box. The default option selected is the No Watermark option, and you can choose this option to remove a custom watermark you have applied in the future if needed. To create a custom picture watermark, first select the Picture Watermark option button. Then click the Select Picture button to open the Insert Pictures dialog box. Use the dialog box to select the picture that you want to use as the custom watermark image. After selecting the image to use, click the Insert button, and then you will be returned to the Printed Watermark dialog box. You can then use the Scale drop-down to select the scale to use for the display of the watermark image within the document. To fade the image, which is almost always a requirement of using a watermark, ensure that the Washout checkbox remains checked. You can then click the Apply button to instantly apply the watermark to the document and leave this dialog box open, or you can click the OK button to apply the watermark and close the dialog box. To create a custom text watermark, choose the Text Watermark option button within the Printed Watermark dialog box. You can then use the Language drop-down to select the language of the watermark. Then enter the text you want the watermark to display into the Text drop-down field. You can also select from some commonly used watermark text by making a choice from this drop-down instead if you prefer. You can then select the font to use for the watermark by making a choice from the Font drop-down. You can then set the size of the font used by making a choice from the Size drop-down. To ensure that the text remains faded, you should leave the Semi-Transparent checkbox checked. You can then select whether the watermarked text should be displayed horizontally or vertically within the document by choosing either the diagonal or horizontal option button from the Layout section. You can then click the Apply button to instantly apply the watermark and leave the dialog box open, or you can click the OK button to apply the watermark and close the dialog box. When finished, you can click the Close button to close the Printed Watermark dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.